Hello, I'm Charmaine Singleton, and today I'm going to show you how to make this very beautiful and cute Christmas wreath. These are a few things you will need to begin this project. This is some golden yarn. If you have a red ribbon, you can use it. These are all the requirements for this project today. And a 3.5 mm hook. I'm using this ring from a milk can. You can get it from any of your water bottles or any can. So the first color I will be using is green. So first I'll take the green yarn and make a slip knot and start making single crochets on the ring. You have to make a total of 28 single crochets, or just an even number. That would depend on the ring size, so just keep in mind to make an even number. And just complete your circle. After you complete the circle, join both the ends with a slip stitch. Now you chain 2 and skip 1 and make a single crochet. Once again you chain 2, skip 1 and make a single crochet. Once again chain 2, skip 1 and make a single crochet. Once again chain 2, skip 1 and make a single crochet in the next chain. Keep repeating the process. Chain 2, skip 1, insert your crochet hook in the next space. Keep repeating the process until you finish the circle. Now the circle is complete, so join both the ends with a slip stitch. Cut the excess yarn. You get a tail from the beginning yarn and the last piece that you have cut. So tie 2 to 3 knots so that your work doesn't open up. Next you take the white color yarn and you can start from anywhere since it's a circle. Now in the space you make 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 1. In the next space make 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 1. In the next space make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, chain 1. Again make 2 single crochet in the next space, chain 1 and go in the next space and make again 2 single crochet in the next space, again chain 1. Keep repeating this process till you come to the end of the circle and End it with a slip stitch. The beginning and the end pieces of yarn, tie it 2 or 3 knots and then cut off the excess yarn. Now you take your third color, red, insert your crochet hook in the space and chain 2 and make a double crochet in the same space. In the next space, make a slip stitch. Once again, chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the same space. Make a slip stitch in the next space. All you got to do is keep repeating the process for the whole circle. Now this is the last time you'll chain 2, make a single crochet in the same space. In the next space, make a slip stitch. There are 2 choices. You could either cut the yarn now and add another decorative piece of yarn to hang it, or else just continue to make some chains like the way I am doing it in this tutorial. Once you are satisfied with the length of the chain, you can slip stitch in the same space and cut off the excess yarn. Now pull through the yarn to the next side and tie both the ends. One yarn is from the beginning and one is the end yarn that we have ended the work. So tie 2 or 3 knots. You can hide it in between your work itself, or else just cut off the excess yarn. If you want your work to look more smooth, you can always use a lighter. You can use a ribbon or any other decorative yarn to treadle through and tie a bow. I'm using 2 bells. They are actually for making earrings. Now all you have to do is tie a bow, and this very beautiful and lovely decor is ready. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to put a like and subscribe to my channel for more cute projects like this.